Alright folks, we have yet another one that tugs at my heartstrings. I have always loved these cars. This is a 41 Willis, and check out the color of this car. Not real bright. A lot of metallic, any metallic in it probably. And look how he did the engine in gray. Probably been powder coated. My best is the intake, headers, supercharger intake valve. All that stuff's been powder coated most likely. This color is dead on perfect for this car. Gives you that old school look. Oh man, look at the detail on this car. Holy cow. 41 Willis. Now back in the day, the guys would drag them old DeSoto and Chrysler Hemis out of the junkyard and put those Hemis in these things. And then they went to the 426 Hemis. And that was standard fare. If you wanted to go fast, these cars were light. They squatted real good.
Ended up taking the 37.
This is unbelievable. Enough room in there to put your stuff for the track.
He picked it, but it's to find it. I think they sprayed probably.
Holy cow. I just can't tell you. This car. There's some creative people out here in the world, man. It just is. I mean, it's hard to get these cars to this level. I got here a fuel car back over here somewhere. There's something whopping.
Yeah. I drive it.
Unreal.
Mine's not a brand new one. It's a few years older and they didn't have that gray. I can't afford a brand new one. I'm just like, gosh, I love those solid
The wheels
colors.
are absolutely perfect for this car. Absolutely perfect.
Yeah, that.
I mean, I wouldn't change anything. I mean, this is as good as it's going to get right here. I mean, put your choice. If you're a Ford guy or a Mopar guy, obviously you might change the engine, but I just, you know, this is me. I love this. I'm all about this, folks. All right, let me see what else there's so many cool. You will see stuff in the background. I just can't get them all, folks. I'm sorry. Let me walk down through here and see what else we can find.